How much easier would your life be now if you had learned the critical skill of money management when you were younger? But with so many subjects and topics to teach, who has time to fit in one more thing? You do. Because Arts Horizons and WinceyCo are teaming up again to bring you the brand new musical stage play, Money Rules, with punctuated call and response songs that keep your audience engaged. And it's all done in an age and developmentally appropriate format based on the grade levels you serve. The professional actors in Money Rules tackle topics straight from your core curriculum, such as earning income,
man, just working hard, trying to make ends meet,
saving, budgeting, and investing for young people.
You've been saving any money, bro?
Saving? I never really thought about saving.
Let WinceyCo use the arts to help your students acquire the skills needed to navigate the sometimes complicated world of finance during these formative years. For booking, contact Arts Horizons at 201-567-1766.
Show is based on the National Education Standards in Personal Financial Education for students in grades K to 12.